All right, we are starting here in the Overdrive Marketplace. I am in my Advantage account right now, and you can see that I'm logged in. I'm going to go to the carts. And then I only have one cart right now, and it's my main cart, so it always shows at the top here. But I'm going to go ahead and come down here to where the cart is. I have an option to purchase right here, but I'm going to go ahead and click onto the cart. It's a good idea to double check the titles that you're getting, making sure you're not duplicating titles or over purchasing or getting something in the wrong language. So as you go through and you check and you're okay with your purchase, you're ready to actually get the books purchased, you're going to click on Purchase Cart. And then that is going to take you to a screen that gives you some conditions that the publishers have made. So since you're buying electronic books, there's some differences in the way the lending or the purchasing model is. So you have to agree to those conditions in order to get the books purchased. So read through all of them, make sure that you're comfortable with what they're telling you. They're basically covering what kind of access they're giving you to the books. Okay, and then you have your purchase options. So you should be on Bill My account, and then also your purchase internal purchase order ID is going to be our district PO number. So when you get that PO number, you're just going to use it right here. And then the last thing is to click on Complete My Purchase. And then that is it. Now you have the order ID number, which is what Overdrive sees it as, the invoice number. And then it also is marking the PO number, which is our district number identifier. You're not quite done because you're going to need to wait for the invoice to show up. And there's an invoicing button next. This is the receipt at this point, so the purchase is done, so I can go to View Invoices. And it is not necessarily an immediate turnaround, but within the next 5 minutes to an hour, there will be an invoice that will show up. And right now it's not there. So I will just have to keep checking back. As soon as the invoice does show up here, I can print it. I get a signature from my approver. I sign it, and then it goes on to that receipt that is signed goes on to accounting. And that's it for making a purchase in Overdrive.